Well, I'd like us to take a trip with our tour guide, Jesus Christ, to the lake of fire and see the sights.
Hang on, Jesus is turning up for a tour? Centuries of waiting for the second coming are about to come to an end because Jesus is coming back to take you on a tour of a fiery lake. Yeah, I'm sure that's at the top of his list of things to do after over 2,000 years of not existing.
And when you see the sights, you'll come back on fire from this tour, let me tell you that.
Doesn't sound like a very good tour if you're going to come back with third-degree burns. What's the refund policy? Do you get money back if you sustain injuries whilst on the tour?